Good morning, everyone. Darius Dale here to present our macro minute for Wednesday, December 1st, 2021. Happy holidays out there for you folks. Starting with markets, we had stocks up, commodities up, crypto mixed, dollar down, global bond yields up. Big movers this morning. We got Russell 2000 up 2%, WTI up 4%, Nat Gas down 4% to a full blown crash week to date. Hope you didn't buy the dip in Nat Gas too soon. On the economic front, we got mixed November manufacturing PMI data are confirming our developing view that the post Delta bounce in global growth may have peaked in November. So the countries that are improving month over month: Australia, Korea, Japan, India, Russia, Italy, France, Eurozone, and the UK. Declining month over month, you had China's Caixin Index, Indonesia, Ireland, Switzerland, Spain, Germany, and Greece. Obviously, two of the world's largest and most important manufacturing hubs in that declining category. So that's something to keep an eye on. Another thing to keep an eye on, we had all eyes on the ISM Manufacturing PMI release this morning at 10 o'clock Eastern. From our perspective, taking it to the chart here, the percentage of respondents reporting slower supplier delivery times is the key metric to watch. To the extent that we continue to see supplier delivery slower, that the percentage of respondents increasing, that's obviously bullish for inflation in the very short to medium term, or in the very short term, as we approach kind of the peak or go through the thick of holiday season. However, if we start to see this thing continue to make lower highs, that's obviously a very positive dynamic with respect to the Fed's tapering program, bond yields, things of that nature, as because it means it takes a little bit of the wind out of the sails of the near term inflation momentum. So that, again, this is the metric to watch when that headline comes out. You're not going to see it on the headline tape. You're going to have to roll your sleeves up and get into the macro weeds alongside me. So with that, another thing to keep your eye on is today's probable range setups. Nothing overbought this morning with respect to what's oversold. DAX, Nikkei 225, Russell 2000, WTI, Nat Gas, silver, dollars oversold versus the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen, gold, 10-year Swiss yield, 10-year Treasury yield, and the 10-year tips break even. With respect to the S&P 500's probable range, minus 1.2% downside versus 3.1% upside. WTI hovering at the lower boundary of its probable range with 19% upside. Bloomberg Dollar Index minus 0.5% downside versus 1.3% upside. 10-year Treasury yield hovering at the lower boundary of its probable range with 28 basis points of upside. Bitcoin 4% downside versus 16% upside. Ethereum 14% downside with 11% upside. And then lastly, gold is at the lower boundary of its probable range with 6% upside. So with that, Darius Dale presenting our macro minute for Wednesday, December 1st, 2021. Everyone have a wonderful day out there.